As the popularity of badminton continues to rise among families, fitness lovers, and competitive players, the demand for high-performance badminton rackets is growing fast. Whether you're playing in the backyard or on a professional court, the right racket can dramatically impact control, speed, and precision. This guide evaluates the material build, weight balance, grip quality, and overall value to help you find the best badminton racket for your level and playing style. List 1. Yonex Nanoray 10F High Flex Pre-Strung Badminton Racket. The Yonex Nanoray 10F is ideal for intermediate players looking for speed and precision. With high flex shaft technology, it delivers lightning-fast propulsion and better control for defensive-style players. The lightweight build ensures effortless maneuverability, and the aerodynamic frame improves swing speed dramatically. Pre-strung and ready to use, it's crafted with graphite and nanomesh plus carbon nanotube materials. List number: Nanoray Badminton Racket Set for Backyards. Lightweight badminton set of 2/4, perfect for casual players and backyard fun. The Nanoray Badminton Racket Set offers exceptional value for recreational use. This set includes 2 or 4 rackets, shuttlecocks, and a portable carrying bag, making it an all-in-one family playset. The carbon aluminum composite frame ensures decent durability while keeping the racket light and easy to swing, while it's not meant for pro-level play. List number 3. Senston Professional Badminton Racket Set of 4. Carbon fiber, 6 shuttlecocks, 4 grips. The Senston Professional Set is an excellent mid-tier option, especially for families or amateur clubs. This package includes 4 rackets, 6 shuttlecocks, and 4 overgrips, making it ideal for group play. Built with full carbon fiber shafts and frames, these rackets offer strong tension resistance, lightweight handling, and better control than most entry-level models. The rackets are pre-strung and ready to use. List 4. Above Genius Badminton Racket Set with 6 shuttlecocks. The Above Genius Badminton Set is a reliable option for family outings or casual matches. The rackets are lightweight and ergonomically designed, offering solid grip and swing control for beginners or intermediate players. Made of aluminum alloy, the rackets strike a good balance between durability and flexibility. The set includes 6 nylon shuttlecocks and a carry bag for easy transport. List number 4. KH Badminton Racket Set of 2, 4, 6 for adults and kids. Outdoor sport designed with versatility in mind, the KH Badminton Racket Set is available in configurations of 2, 4, or 6 rackets, making it suitable for families, schools, and social games. The rackets are made from durable aluminum alloy, making them resistant to outdoor wear and tear. Lightweight yet sturdy, they are comfortable for both kids and adults. The set includes shuttlecocks and a carrying bag,